Hey everyone, want to use CrystalDiskInfo? CrystalDiskInfo is a free disk health monitoring tool that lets you check the condition, temperature, and performance information of your hard drives and solid-state drives. In this full guide, I'll show you how to use CrystalDiskInfo in 2026. So let's get started. First, launch CrystalDiskInfo on your computer. After the program opens, it will automatically detect and display all supported storage drives connected to your system. Next, look at the health status indicator. You'll usually see labels such as good, caution, or bad, which provide a quick overview of your drive's current condition. Now check the drive temperature. CrystalDiskInfo continuously monitors your drive's temperature so you can identify overheating issues before they become serious. Scroll down to review the smart attributes. These values provide detailed information about your drive's health, including error counts, power on hours, read and write statistics, and other diagnostic data. If your computer has more than one storage drive, click each drive at the top of the window to switch between them. You can monitor the health and temperature of every supported HDD or SSD individually. Open the Function and Settings menus to customize CrystalDiskInfo. You can configure temperature alerts, startup options, refresh intervals, and other monitoring preferences based on your needs. For the best experience, check your drive health regularly. Back up important files if you see a caution or bad status. Keep your storage devices cool with proper airflow. And replace failing drives before they stop working completely. Regular monitoring can help prevent unexpected data loss, and that's how to use CrystalDiskInfo in 2026. Whether you're monitoring an SSD, checking a hard drive's health, or preventing data loss, CrystalDiskInfo is a simple and powerful tool for keeping an eye on your storage devices. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.